Hi, this is Doreen Velin from YouTube. You might be stuck in the house today and stuck in the indoors, not able to come out, enjoy this beautiful air. It's almost the end of November, so the trees have pretty well dropped most of their leaves, but it's a beautiful, beautiful day. It's warm, and this is the Okanagan Valley in Canada. And yes, folks, this is Okanagan Valley in Canada. No snow, not even on our hills. So it's almost December, and it's gorgeous outside. Got some sun shining, and just a beautiful day. So come and join me for a little walkabout. Let's just relax and walk through this. If you're not able to get out yourself, just grab a cup of coffee or a cup of tea or a glass of wine, whatever your drink is, and join me. Let's just look at some of the nature here. So these trees here are a bit of a nuisance. They grow a lot here. We actually saw a lot of them in Croatia too. They're an olive tree, wild olive, and they grow like stink. They really grow. And we have a lot of them around here. And they grow wild. And these trees here are a cottonwood. They're kind of like a fake birch. And they have like a grayish bark instead of a white bark like birch. And they're not, they don't cut them down or anything. They don't use them, I don't think, for anything. They're kind of a messy tree. I don't think they're great for lumber. So they're not, don't have a lot of worth in that area. And but here I think it's birch tree. We don't see too many birch around here. But here's a beautiful birch. Look at that tree. Isn't that gorgeous white? Oh, I just want to paint it. Showing the paints of me. Oh my gosh, it'd be so pretty. I'll just stop here and then you can take a picture of it, maybe if you want to paint it. It's a nice little picture there. Great picture. Okay, let's continue. This little park here that the city bought and put an estuary in. Oh, didn't put the estuary. Sorry, they didn't put the estuary in. It was already there. So what they do is just buy some farms around it so that to protect the wildlife. There's a blue herons here. We have a lot of blue herons. We had beaver. 2 or 3 beaver. A lot of mallard ducks. And turtles. Some fish in there, little fish. I don't know if they're able to get to the lake or not. What kind of fish they are. Or rainbow trout or lake trout. So these estuaries are all fed by little creeks. So the little fries can get up after the eggs are laid. We'll probably end up here. Oh my gosh, there's really a lot of action here going on here. Look at these guys, they're just going at it. So, ducks are making lots of noise. Yeah, thank you for joining me on this little walk today. It's Doreen Velin on YouTube.